Hello and welcome to the idler arm installation video. Now this video is going to be kind of odd because we're not going to fully install it. This customer has actually opted for our steering rack installation or steering rack conversion for the Datsun 510. So we're going to get as far as we can without actually completely bolting everything up. But because it's such a simple product, we trust that you guys should be able to figure the rest of it out. If not, always give us a call or shoot us an email. So we're going to hop to the car and get this installed. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the old idler arm, and we're gonna go ahead and install our new Apex Engineered one. Now you should reuse the bolts that come with the idler arm. However, we misplaced them, so we're just gonna grab some of the bolts that we have off the shelf and get it installed. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install this idler arm real loosely. And then we're gonna go ahead and just hand tighten it to the back here. And just like that, you can see that that install is super easy. The only final bit is going to be installing the center link. Now you'll notice that this comes loose from factory. We recommend that you install the center link first because it's a tapered fit, so then this doesn't spin. And once this is secure in place, then you can go ahead and tighten the top bolt. So we're just going to rough mock to install the center link. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and install the center link. We're gonna install the center link like so, followed by the nut and washer. Now we're not gonna tighten it obviously, but you can go ahead and rack it back and forth. And here you can see how the center link along with our idler arm would function. Now for torque, you're gonna go ahead and torque the bolts that get reused onto the factory idler arm to the factory specs. You can torque this nut until the point where this is tight, yet it doesn't bind at all. Same thing with the nut back here. You want it to be tight, but you don't want it to bind the bearings at all. And then the nut for the center link, you can torque to about 15 foot-pounds.